Meet my brother. This is Brother, the cheapest ink tank printer that you can buy in 2024. This printer does not only prints but scans and has inbuilt Wi-Fi for wireless printing from your mobile phones and laptop. If you are looking for an affordable printing, Brother is at your side. Now let's look at the box and see what it says. This is model DCP T426w. The key features of this printer are it can hold up to 150 of sheets in the tray. It has wireless connectivity as well as USB. This has a printing speed of 16 IPM mono and 9 IPM color. Laser comparable. 28 ppm mono and 11 ppm color. Eco mode. Up to 1200 by 6000 dpi resolution, Windows only. It is also a color scanner and can do up to 1200 by 2400 dpi scan resolution, optical and color copy, 2-in-1 ID copy. It has a refill tank system where you can refill your tank with the help of these ink bottles. It is a very economical printer and it can give prints up to 7500 of black and white copies. Without wasting any time, let's open up the box and see what you get inside. Before starting with the unboxing, I would like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Let's start with the unboxing. You get a data cable, you get a power cord, you get ink bottles. So you get the ink bottles with the package. Here you get a manual guide. Inside here you get roller cleaning sheet for wiping use. Do not wet the sponge pad. This is a sponge pad. The other one, roller cleaning sheet for cleaning use. Wet the sponge pad with water before use. So these things are used for maintenance of your printer. You also get a software installation CD, installation for drivers and utilities. Lastly, you get a printer itself. We are done with the unboxing. Now let's have a look at the printer. If you look at the top of the printer, you get a power button here, LED indicators, Wi-Fi button, copy shortcut button and scan button for mono and color copies. Here you get a scanner. If you look in the front, you get a automatic paper loader, so you can put your papers here. Here you get a refill tank system. You can refill the ink here, which is provided in the package. And if you see at the back side, you get a manual paper tray where you can load your papers here. Next we'll see how to install and operate this thing. So I'm going to take this thing to the place where I'm going to install it. So this is the place where the printer is going to sit, and I'm going to download an app on my phone and start the installation process. The only reason I'm going to do installation process on the phone because I don't have a laptop which has a CD drive where I can install the CD, and it's going to be faster and easy process. Now this is a manual guide with simple setup. Step 1 says unpack the machine and check the components. Now this step I have already done. The second step is fill the ink tank with the ink. So let's do it. Remove the caps and place it here on the back of the cover. Done with the refilling of the ink. Next we go to connect the power cord. Third step is to load the papers in the tray. There you go. Fourth step is to start the initial cleaning. Plug on the, as you can see here, yellow light is blinking and the printer is getting ready. Press and hold the color button for 3 seconds. Yellow and orange light will start blinking. Now the machine will print quality check sheet. Check the print quality, check the dots here if they come proper or they are missing. Now the fifth step is to connect it to the computer or the mobile device, but in my case I'm going to connect to the phone. So what you need to do is scan the QR code to download the app and then click to install. Then follow the screen, connect it to the same network, follow the screen instruction for setup. So guys, the printer is installed and connected to the network and it's ready for use. So guys, let's test out by printing some pictures. As you can see, the print quality is good. Let's try printing a photo on a photocopy paper. As you can see here, the photo is come very good but little over contrasty. Now let's try scanning and printing. Even the scan and print quality comes very good. Now there is a feature called 2-in-1 document printer. So let's try that feature. Let's see how it works. Now to print this 2-in-1 ID print, you need to keep your ID card, place your ID card here, then press copy shortcut. Remove the ID card, turn it and place it again and say copy shortcut. So you can see here both the documents are printed on the same page. So this is a cool feature that Brother offers. So guys, what do you think about the printer? Let me know in the comment box. Please do subscribe, share and like. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.